is not as dirty as normal. That doesn't sound good, but it's true.
For me, been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight.
A true Jamaican Christmas greeting I extend to you. Just come on over, there is room. There's no winter time, there's just sweet sunshine at Christmas Jamaican style.
Well, hi guys, welcome back to another Vlogtober. I know I'm looking crazy because I'm actually here cleaning up. I'm actually getting prepped for Christmas, obviously. So I'm doing the bedrooms today on the upstairs, and I'm right now just taking off the sheets and stuff. I'm about to go wash the mattress cover because for some reason I can't find the other one. So instead of spending all day looking for that, I'm just gonna wash it and just put it right back on the bed. So let me show you what I'm doing right now. So again, I am cleaning, so don't much to mess. So I just about to, not sure what mess up this pillow cover here. So this pillow, no, I haven't knew that. All right, but I'm about to take these sheets off. I'm gonna wash them as I go, but first I'm gonna wash the mattress cover before I put it back on the bed. While this is being washed, I'm going to be cleaning up the house. Now I'm about to pull up these laundry right here. I have my cleaning products here as well. These are the curtains that will be going up. So remember I told you, if you watched my haul the last time, I bought a set of this. This is the extra set that I actually had, and I'm going to be pairing it with these silver ones. So in the corner here, this is the new pillows. Because guys, embarrassment, that I'm throwing it out right now. So I'm throwing away a set of that. I don't know why I'm looking like that. I'm gonna throw them out. So these pillows will be repairing that, will be replacing that. And then I have the extra curtain that I told you I bought here, and then you have the comforter set and the flat sheets to go on the bed. So I'm about to start cleaning. Actually, I've been so productive all morning. It is literally 5 minutes to 1 right now. And I dropped the kids off at school. I went by CVS to grab Tristan's prescription. I have edited some videos, uploaded some videos, and put them on schedules. So I'm just trying to keep on top of things because I know this Vlogmas is going to kill me, right? So I'm trying to be prepared. I also started some laundry. I had washed up some plates, you know, in the kitchen. Had something to eat, of course, and you know, be grabbing stuff that I need to sort out this. So I want to do my bedroom, Tristan's bedroom, and Tavania's bedroom, and fingers crossed, let's see how much I can do so I can actually jump into the bathroom and the upstairs as well. So that is the plan for today. So you're here helping me getting Christmas ready for 2023. So if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Drop a comment in the comment section, share this video, and hit the like button as well. My hand's crazy because yeah, I'm cleaning. So that's why I'm looking so crazy, crazier than normal. Okay, so yeah, let's go. Okay guys, I am done just in the nick of time. It's time to go actually pick up the kids from the bus stop. Today, to be honest, right now it's 4:15. It took forever to clean up the one room, and I didn't do a deep clean. To be honest, in comparison to what I normally do for Christmas, I didn't go that all out to deep clean. Like it wasn't a shallow clean, but it was definitely not a deep clean. And I think because of that, because I have done several deep cleaning for the year, including like 2 months ago. So the place is not as dirty as normal. That doesn't sound good, but it's true. But yeah, that is it for today's Vlogmas video. Tomorrow you will see me take on Tristan's and Tavania's room, because that's not gonna happen today. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this video, so go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, drop your comments, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and I'll see you later guys. Bye.
At Christmas, Jamaica.